Enjoy the view of this 2021 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a new level of comfort and convenience on all your family outings in this spacious Palisade. Crossover versatility, flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, silky V6 power, and 3-row seating make this SUV an unbeatable value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, 3rd-row seat, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start. Get the style and performance you want and the space you need in this distinctive Palisade. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.